Can you see yourself in the 2022 Kia Rio? With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get the modern features you're looking for at an excellent value in this streamlined Rio. This comfortable subcompact delivers sprightly performance, connective infotainment, a refined interior, and stylish practicality. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, 4-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system. Travel light and smart in this well-appointed, affordable Rio. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.